For countless generations, humanity has gazed upward into the night sky with a sense of awe that feels almost instinctive. From early civilizations that traced constellations into myth and meaning, to modern astronomers operating space-based observatories capable of detecting light that has traveled billions of years, the same fundamental questions continue to echo through time. How did the universe begin? What laws shaped its evolution? And how much of this vast cosmic story do we truly understand? In the 20th century, these questions began to take a structured scientific form with the development of the Big Bang theory, a framework describing the universe as originating roughly 13.8 billion years ago from an extremely hot and dense state in which space, time, matter, and energy were tightly interconnected. In this model, the universe did not expand into empty space. Rather, space itself expanded, stretching and cooling over time. As it evolved, simple particles formed atoms, atoms formed stars, and stars assembled into galaxies. Over billions of years, this gradual cosmic evolution produced the large-scale structures we observe today, and eventually, at least on one planet, the conditions for life. The evidence supporting this framework is extensive and remarkably consistent across multiple independent observations. The cosmic microwave background radiation provides a faint but nearly uniform glow across the universe, acting as a fossilized imprint of the early cosmos when it was only about 380,000 years old. Observations of distant galaxies show that they are moving away from us, their light stretched toward longer wavelengths due to cosmic expansion, a phenomenon known as redshift. On the largest scales, matter in the universe forms a vast cosmic web of filaments, clusters, and voids that closely matches predictions from large-scale simulations of structure formation. Yet despite this success, fundamental questions remain unresolved. What triggered the initial expansion? Why do the laws of physics take their observed form? And does the concept of "before the Big Bang" even have physical meaning, or is time itself inseparable from the event of cosmic origin? These uncertainties become even more intriguing when viewed alongside modern observational tensions in astronomy. One of the most discussed examples involves the ancient star HD 140283, sometimes nicknamed the Methuselah star, located roughly 200 light-years from Earth. Early estimates once suggested it could be nearly as old as 16 billion years, which would exceed the age of the universe under standard cosmological models. Later refinements reduced its estimated age to about 14.5 billion years, bringing it within the accepted cosmic timeline, but still uncomfortably close to the boundary. Even with improved measurements, the narrow margin between stellar and cosmic age continues to raise important questions about the precision of current models and the uncertainties embedded within them. Determining the age of a star is not a straightforward measurement but a layered inference. Stars do not carry explicit timestamps of formation. Instead, their ages are reconstructed indirectly through observable properties such as luminosity, temperature, chemical composition, and motion through space. These parameters are then compared with theoretical models of stellar evolution that simulate how stars change over billions of years. Even small uncertainties in distance, metallicity, or internal physics can lead to large variations in estimated age, sometimes amounting to hundreds of millions of years. Another widely used technique involves stellar rotation. Over time, stars lose angular momentum due to magnetic interactions and stellar winds, causing them to spin more slowly. By measuring rotation rates across stellar populations, astronomers use gyrochronology to estimate ages, but this method also depends heavily on initial conditions and environmental factors. As a result, stars like HD 140283 serve as important test cases, highlighting both the strength and limitations of current astrophysical methods. This leads to a broader and more fundamental question. How certain are we about the age of the universe itself? One way to visualize cosmic time is through the concept of the cosmic calendar. If the entire 13.8 billion-year history of the universe were compressed into a single calendar year, The Big Bang would occur at midnight on January 1st. Galaxies would begin forming only months later, our solar system would not appear until late December, and all of recorded human history would occupy the final seconds before midnight on December 31st. This perspective emphasizes not only the immense scale of cosmic time but also the extremely recent emergence of human observers within it, offering a humbling context for our place in the universe. The age of the universe is primarily determined through measurements of cosmic expansion. Light from distant galaxies is stretched as space itself expands, shifting toward the red end of the electromagnetic spectrum. By measuring this redshift and combining it with distance estimates derived from standard candles such as Type Ia supernovae, astronomers can calculate the rate of expansion. When this data is compared with observations of the cosmic microwave background, it produces a consistent estimate of approximately 13.8 billion years. However, this framework depends on multiple assumptions about the nature of space, time, and energy, all of which continue to be tested with increasing precision. Some alternative ideas propose that redshift may not be caused solely by expansion, suggesting instead that photons could gradually lose energy over vast distances or that unknown physical processes might subtly influence observed wavelengths. While these interpretations remain outside mainstream consensus, they highlight an essential feature of science. Cosmological models are not static, but continuously refined in response to new evidence and emerging anomalies. Even within our own galaxy, new observations continue to challenge existing frameworks. The Gaia Space Observatory has mapped nearly 2 billion stars in the Milky Way with unprecedented precision, revealing complex patterns in stellar motion, particularly in the galaxy's outer regions. Some stars exhibit velocities and trajectories that do not fully align with predictions based on visible matter alone. These discrepancies have strengthened the evidence for dark matter, an invisible component of the universe that interacts gravitationally but not electromagnetically. Dark matter is thought to make up roughly 27% of the universe, shaping the formation and motion of galaxies. Even more mysterious is dark energy, which accounts for about 68% of the universe and is believed to drive its accelerated expansion. Together, these two components dominate cosmic structure, while ordinary matter, the substance that forms stars, planets, and life, constitutes less than 5% of everything that exists. Modern observatories such as the James Webb Space Telescope have begun probing these mysteries in unprecedented detail. By observing in infrared wavelengths, it can detect extremely faint and distant light from the earliest galaxies, peer through dense clouds of cosmic dust, and analyze the atmospheres of exoplanets orbiting distant stars. Some of its observations suggest that galaxies may have formed earlier and evolved more rapidly than current models predict, while others reveal unexpectedly complex structures in the early universe. Among its many targets are exoplanets with atmospheric signatures containing water vapor, carbon dioxide, and other molecules. While these findings do not confirm habitability, they demonstrate that the basic chemical ingredients associated with life are not unique to Earth and may be widespread across the galaxy. These discoveries naturally lead to deeper questions that extend beyond astronomy into biology and philosophy. If planets with Earth-like conditions are common, could life also be common? If life emerges readily under suitable conditions, could intelligent civilizations arise elsewhere in the galaxy? Or might such civilizations have already appeared and vanished long before humanity existed? These questions remain open, but they reflect a growing scientific awareness that life may be one of many possible outcomes in a chemically rich universe rather than an isolated exception. Beyond observable science, theoretical frameworks push cosmology even further. Concepts such as the multiverse propose that our universe may be only one of many, each with different physical laws and constants. In some interpretations of quantum mechanics, every possible outcome of an event may exist in separate branching realities. While highly speculative, These ideas challenge the assumption that our observable universe represents the totality of existence. At the same time, large-scale anomalies such as unusual bulk motions of galaxy clusters, sometimes discussed under terms like dark flow, raise additional questions about whether structures beyond the observable horizon could influence what we see, though interpretations remain highly debated and uncertain. Despite these uncertainties, one conclusion remains clear. The universe is overwhelmingly shaped by unseen components. Dark matter and dark energy dominate its composition, guiding its structure, evolution, and ultimate fate. Yet these forces remain among the greatest mysteries in modern science. Each new observation, from ancient stars that challenge age estimates, to distant galaxies forming earlier than expected, to exoplanets showing complex chemistry, adds both clarity and complexity to our understanding. Science does not eliminate mystery, it refines it. In the end, perhaps the most profound realization is not a single measurement of cosmic age or origin, but the recognition that our understanding is always evolving. The universe is not a finished equation waiting to be solved, but an unfolding system of discovery. It expands not only outward through space, but inward into the limits of human understanding itself, continually reshaping what we think we know about time, existence, and reality.